What's up, fellow entrepreneurs? Today I want to discuss most common types of employment lawsuits California employers face. But first, I'm an attorney, but I'm not your attorney, so please seek competent legal representation for your specific needs. All right, let's talk about it. California is a complex regulatory environment for business owners. Many California employment lawsuits don't start with outrageous conduct. They start with small mistakes that repeat. A missed meal break, poor documentation, an ignored complaint, or a termination that happens shortly after protected activity. Retaliation is one of the most common claims employers face in California. If an employee complains about workplace issues, requests protected leave, or reports misconduct, and then experiences discipline, demotion, or termination soon afterward, the employer may face a retaliation claim. Payroll mistakes can become very expensive. Common issues include overtime errors, meal and rest break violations, inaccurate pay stubs, and final paycheck mistakes. In California, a single payroll problem can affect multiple employees and create significant PAGA exposure. Discrimination and harassment claims remain major sources of litigation. California law protects numerous categories of employees, and employers can face substantial exposure when decisions appear tied to protected characteristics or when complaints are not investigated promptly and thoroughly. Wrongful termination claims often accompany retaliation or discrimination allegations. One of the biggest weaknesses in an employer's defense is the lack of documentation supporting the business reason for the termination. Employers also face lawsuits involving protected leave under FMLA or CFRA. Interfering with leave rights or taking adverse action after an employee returns from leave can result in costly claims involving back pay, benefits, and attorney's fees. The good news is that most employment lawsuits are preventable. Document performance issues early, investigate complaints promptly, and apply policies consistently. Review payroll practices regularly, and think carefully before taking adverse action near protected activity. Understanding the most common employment claims can help you avoid turning routine HR decisions into costly litigation. Until next time, be productive.